In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert an MP4 file into an MKV file on mobile. Now for this video, I am using a Samsung device, which is an Android, but please note that the process for what I'm about to show you works exactly the same way for an iPhone as well. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to the internet and then search for file converter on Google. Click on that and then look for the cloudconverter.com website. In my case, it's right at the top. In your case, it might be a little bit at the bottom, depending on where the website is ranking at the time of you watching this video. Once on the website, right next to convert, right there, click on the first drop down and search for MP4. And then click on that. And then 2, this is going to be the file format that we're going to be converting an MP4 file to. So click on the second one and then simply search for MKV. And it's right there. From here, all I need to do is click on the select file button right there and then find the MP4 file that I want to convert. So in this case, it's going to be that video right there. Then all I need to do is click on the red convert button, and within a few seconds, the MP4 file is going to be processed and converted into an MKV file, which I can now download by pressing the green button. And yeah, that's pretty much how you convert an MP4 file into an MKV on mobile. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help.